Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to add transitions in Shotcut, adding smooth transition Shotcut tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, just open Shotcut onto your device and open the project wherein it has your clips. So you'll just have to go ahead and add in your clips, and right after to go ahead and add in transition, you'll just need to hover onto the other clip. As you can see, we have this one or an indicator that this is a two clip. So we're just gonna go ahead and hold the other clip in here, and we're gonna go ahead and drag it on top of the other video. So as you can see, we have something like this onto its middle part. You could click onto that, and this is where the transition will go. So for us to be able to change its transition, just click on properties here onto the upper part, and there are a lot of options available. So we have dissolve, cut, custom, and many more. So feel free to go ahead and choose which one you think is best for your video, like for example this one. So you're gonna go ahead and see a preview here onto its side, and then if you want to add that, you'll just have to go ahead, choose that one, and you could go ahead and play your video to see if the transitions has been applied. And that is how easy you could go ahead and add in transitions in Shotcut. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.